Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Let's go and do a quick update on the VectorVest portfolios. Now, just to be clear, we're not fund managers and we're not brokers, so we don't manage your money for you. But what we do is we provide you with key portfolios, and you can see exactly what's taking place each day in each and every one of those portfolios. We have to prove to you that you can make money using VectorVest, and if you follow some of those portfolios, you'll see they are doing incredibly well. Now, before we get going, let's just move myself out the way. Please note our license numbers. In addition, please note general advice only. I cannot take into account any of your personal financial circumstances. And as always, past performance is no guarantee of future results. With that said, let me load up VectorVest. I'm going to cut straight to the chase. Here we go. Look at this. Phenomenal. Here are all the portfolios that we track. And just to emphasize things, let's just pull the 1 year returns here and just expand it out a bit. And we can see over here, you can see the 1 month and the 3 month. So I'll put, let's say, 1 and 3 next to each other. But you can see over here, only one of the portfolios that we track over the last 12 months is down. And this one here includes dividends and franking credits, which is not incorporated into the returns. So if you factor in the dividends and or franking credits, that number there goes positive. So actually all of them have been positive over the last year. And you can see the key ones here. The high momentum NPI stands for near perfect indicator. A whopping 56% over the last 12 months, up 11% over the last month. Now you'll see here, as of time recording, my date here as of time recording is 26 August. So this is as of the close of business on the 25th of August 2025, going back 12 months. All right, doing 56% returns. If I show you the trading system details, so once you have access to VectorVest, you can do this. You can click on the trading system details, and here you'll see there's the equity curve, phenomenal. But more importantly, you can actually see exactly what's taking place each and every day. Here it all is. You can see here on the 20th of June, we told you APZ. We were going into APZ. There it is. We told you block XYZ.AX on the 12th of June. You can see plenty of signals given here to you in terms of opportunities. And look at those returns. All of these currently in here, bar one, have made you some very good returns. Look at this one here, 78% returns there. Kingsgate Consolidated, KCN. The signal was given to you on the 2nd of May, just 2 or 3 months ago. It's up already 78%. You can see over here, what's this one? Genus Plus Group, GNP, ticker code, 2nd of May. And that's up 63% since we gave the signal. Look at that equity curve. Look at the recent returns. So you get all this with VectorVest. One of my favorite all-time ones here is this one here. Best stocks less than $3 - 10 denoting it's a 10 stock model portfolio. It's looking for stocks less than $3. Some of the most explosive returns in Australia are those mid-cap stocks, those stocks between $1 to $3. You can get some very explosive returns on those stocks if you get them right, along with the correct market timing. And you know, look at the amazing returns we've had on this equity profile over the years, and you can see here over the last 3 years a whopping 74% returns over the last 3 years. Last 1 year 46%, last 1 month 5%, last 3 months 12%. And you can see if we scroll down a little bit further here, you can see some of the most recent purchases. Look at this, 11th of July, just the other day as of time recording here. This one's up 7%. CGS, Cogstate, did I pronounce that correctly? Cogstate, CGS, ticker code. Look, this one, let's see over here, a 20%. When was this one? 24th of July. There's that one again, Kingsgate Consolidated. This portfolio picked it up on the 24th of July. So you'll be sent the alerts. You can set it up so you can be sent the alerts telling you exactly what's taking place each and every day. Now, again, I can't advise you whether any of these portfolios here are suitable for you or not. They're for educational purposes, but you can come in each and every day, click on the one that appeals to you most, have a bit of a read up in regards to what it does. You can check out the rules, and then you can see what the recent returns are, and more importantly here, you can see exactly what is made up here. So you get newsletters that send out, stock tips, hot stock tips. These are stocks that we think are going to do really well. Well, think of it as having, how many we've got now? 18 of these, I believe 18 of these portfolios. Think of it as like having 18 newsletters at your fingertips each and every day, where you can click on whatever style you're interested in. So let's say I am a REIT, real estate investment trust investor. I want to get some, property exposure via REITs. I'm going to click on here, load it up, have a bit of a peek. Oh yeah, I can see as interest rates are coming off, these real estate investment trusts are starting to pick up again. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, yep, I can see they're starting to move again. And I can now cherry pick and look through and go, these are some of the REITs per this trading system, this portfolio here, that are doing really well. And so, this one jumps out. Look at that, a whopping 126%. Here's another one, APZ. Look at that, 175% return since, what's that, the 1st of August 2022. So 3 years later, not bad, up nearly 180%. All right, and so if you're after ETFs, we've got the best AU ETFs. We've got the ASX Global Superstar ETFs. This will give you exposure to international markets via the ASX. Brilliant trading system, this one here, a portfolio here. I'm not going to disclose the ETFs. Take out a trial of VectorVest, get access to this. This one does require you to do a course. Doesn't cost a lot of money. It's well worth the effort to get full details of this one here. This one here, you don't have to do a course. This is the only one that required a course. Best AU ETF Supercharged, so you can have a look at that one. If you're after ETFs where you don't have to do any course, scroll down here. Look, here they are, IVV, QFN, you name it. It's all there for you to have a look at. And the last one I'll leave you with here, if you are after retirement growth, income paying stocks, this one's a good one to have a look at. The other one that's done incredibly well, the Australian blue chip dividend payers. Again, dividend paying stocks, a lot of them are franked, fully franked. It's really starting to move up in recent times. Over the last year, it's up 30%, 60% over the last 3 years. And you can see here plenty of stocks. This one will hold up to a maximum of 20 at any point in time. So certainly no penny stocks there, plenty of blue chip ones there for you to consider. So if you're keen in taking your investing to the next level, you really want to get the power of VectorVest at your fingertips to find out some of the best stocks out there depending on your investment style, then Viewer's trading system Viewer is a key bit of information to help you each and every day. We can give you stock tips, hot stocks every day, but unless we can prove to you that the tips that we've given over a period of time have performed, then a tip is just simply we think at this point in time. Here we're backing it up by saying to you, look, all odds, this is the portfolio that we put together for educational purposes. This is how it's performing. This is how it's currently performing. Over the last month, it's up a whopping 20%. Can you believe it, on the all odds? And this is how we've done it. And so that should give you a lot more confidence than just simply giving you a couple of hot stock tips. This is proving it to you using risk and money management rules, using all the power that we apply here at VectorVest. Hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.